Hey, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan, and welcome to day 15 of our 2021 challenge. So if you're brand new here, first of all, welcome. And this challenge is something we put together a couple weeks ago to try and lose some weight. If you'd like more info, I'll put a link down here and also a video link up here in the card so you can check it all out, get all the details. There's about 2,600 of us doing this and having some amazing progress. We're all kind of keeping in touch and keeping tabs with each other on my Facebook group. You don't have to join, but if you'd like to, you're more than welcome. And I'll put a link down there for that too. So how are we doing? I won't go through the details of the challenge since this is day 15. Again, you can click on the link to find out what it is, but we're doing amazing. I'll share my stats here real quick. And that's as of today, March 10th. I started off at 200. 15 days ago, and today I weighed in at 190. That's my blood pressure, 145, and that dropped down to 125, and my diastolic has dropped from 91 to 77. So that's all because of the challenge, and it's simply eating right and exercise. That's all it is. Now, there was a question about which blood pressure cuff I use and which one you should buy. And that really is it's totally up to you. We'll use whatever one you have at home if you have one. If you have to go out and buy one, I've heard the arm cuffs, the ones like this, to go around your arm, are a little bit more accurate than the ones that go around your wrist. I have both, and they measure pretty close to each other. Here's the one that I started using this morning, and that's my Rely On, and I bought that at Walmart. So check Walmart, check your local pharmacy, Walgreens, Rite Aid, whatever you have. The one for my wrist is an Omron. Again, another very popular brand. Like I said, either one should be fine. The food we're eating is very simple. It's very clean. There's nothing processed. Very little fatty food, so it's kind of low in calorie density. I'm having oatmeal for my breakfast. It's the same video and the same picture every morning. I'll show it down here below. It's blueberries and a banana and a slice of Ezekiel toast. That's my normal breakfast. For lunch today, again, it was very simple. A couple of Yukon Golds. I have a salad underneath. I put a scoop of refried beans on top. And all the fixings, cherry tomato, jalapeno, salsa. There's some cilantro on there. And my red chili sauce. And the red chili sauce link for the recipe is again down here, and I have a recipe card up here for it too. For dinner last night, I had these guys, some corn tortillas, and then some refried beans. That's all it is. And we top them up again with the lettuce, cherry tomato, jalapeno, whatever you like really, salsa. Again, that's my red chili sauce on top, but you can use whatever you like. And I had a couple, 2 or 3 of those with some rice and some hot sauce. That was dinner last night. Again, these are really simple meals. It's real food, nothing processed, and it's very low in fat. That's what we're doing. It's working amazingly for not just me, but a whole bunch of people. I'll show you some numbers here in just a minute. Just blows my mind to see all these testimonials coming in. Thank you for all your pictures and your testimonials. Please keep them coming. It's encouraging to me, and I'm sure it's encouraging for everybody else too. If any of you question whether or not this is working, guys, it's working. Look at that. Down 11.5 pounds. Didn't do my exercise for the last 2 days, but I did get 15,000 steps. 11.5 pounds. That's amazing. Look at this one. Lost 5 pounds the first week. Nothing the second week, but I'm close to goal weight. The great news is my blood pressure. I went from 135 over 81 to 118 over 74. Not all wins are on the scale. It's amazing. And more, this is the first time that I've seen results since I started plant-based June of 2020. The first time she's actually seen good results. Wow. Her fasting blood sugar was down from 120 to 92. And her blood pressure, which is normally fine, was down to 90/60. Wow. Thank you for your daily videos. And she's down 4 pounds. Amazing. And there's more. Sticking to the plan, walking at least 3 miles a day. Haven't lost any more weight. But happily, my morning fasting blood sugar is coming down. She experiences the dawn phenomenon where no matter how long she fasts, it's always higher in the morning, her sugar. Normally 160, 170. The last few mornings it's been down to 147, and today it was 135. Good job. Keep it up. Keep it up. The A1C will be down. If you keep this up, it will. And one more. Day 10. Doing more for my blood pressure than my weight when I get off the medication. Down 1.5 pounds, but got the lowest blood pressure I can remember yesterday. 99/61. Look at all those. Guys, we're doing this. We are actually doing this. These are not, I don't know these people at all. They just post pictures to the Facebook group. But for so many people, over and over and over, tell them the same story, it's working. It may be weight, it may be blood pressure, it may be blood sugar. Maybe for you, one of them is going to budge first. Maybe for you, this is going to budge first. You know, it depends on who we are. We're all different, right? But the thing is just to stick to it. Don't give up and keep going, because it will eventually come down. The weight, the blood sugar, or the blood pressure, it will come down. My wife squeezed into a pair. I say squeeze. She used to squeeze into a pair of jeans that were just way too tight. And she tried them on today after, I don't know how long, been years, and they were loose. And she can wear her old pants again. So she's thrilled. Her blood pressure has come down, and her pulse has dropped from 80 down to 60. She's ecstatic about that. And all we're doing is eating food. We're not taking, well, if you're taking pills for any of this stuff, please, by all means, do not discontinue your medicine without help from a doctor. That's important. I know it's all encouraging and all, but if you're on meds, you want to go about this the right way. Keep track of your numbers. Take pictures on your phone. Write it down, whatever you got to do, and then have your doctor take you off of them safely. But, yeah, this is working. So excited to see so many people doing this and having good results. So keep it up, guys. Keep it up. And we will come back tomorrow and do this all over again for day 16 of our 2021 challenge. Proud of you guys. Doing great. See you tomorrow. This is Chuck, brand new vegan. Thanks for watching.